magandang hapon mga idol. Ating babalikan ang laban ng isa sa pinakamaangas na tigasing Meksikano kuno na dumayo sa Pinas para makipagbakbakan sa dekalibring boxer na merong mabibigat na suntok. Pero bago ang lahat mga idol ay mag-intro muna tayo. Tara, let's go! Nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng dalawang boksingero noon na si Mark Magsayo at ang nagpakilalang hambog na tigasing kunong boxer na mula pa sa bansang Mexico na si Rafael Reyes para sa bakanting IBF Youth Featherweight title belt. Noong mga panahong iyan mga idol ay talagang kalakasan pa ni Mark Magsayo dahil wala pang talo ang ating bida sa ibabaw ng lona. At isa siya sa mga dekalibring boxer ng Pinas na merong pinakamabigat na suntok. Pero dahil sa labang ito ay para sa title belt, ay pinagalagan ito ni Rafael Reyes at matapang na pumalag kahit sa balwarte pa ng ating bansa. Naglaban si Rafael Reyes at Mark Magsayo noong July 11, 2015 sa bayan ng Cebu City. Tara mga idol at ating sariwaing muli ang matinding bakbakan ng magiting na mangdirigma sa ibabaw ng lona.
Starting off by using his jab. Reyes trying to work with the left foot. Sayo stalking Reyes.
Maganda mga jab ni Magsayo. Oh, good. Left to the body.
By Reyes, an overhand right. Magsayo, he wants to put on an impressive performance. It's obvious. Kasi his record is impressive, but he wants to, alam mo na, gusto niya to win over a noted Mexican warrior in Reyes.
Magsayo, one of 4 children, started boxing as a child.
Good luck.
Ito si Magsayo.
Nice combination by Reyes.
Maganda mga jab ni Magsayo, pero kumakasas si Reyes. You can see the eyes of Reyes focus.
Reyes jabbing. Oh, he got covered with that. You know, the thing about open. Oh, beautiful. Okay, keep hitting me. Oh, now he caught up. He got into trouble with that overhand right.
Getting cocky itong si Reyes. Magsayo, very patient. Hindi kumakagat sa mga patsutsada ni Reyes. Beautiful combinations being thrown by Magsayo. Kick, clock. Reyes coming again.
And
the speed and power of Magsayo.
Magnifico.
Sabi nga natin, pag iti sumuntok, Magsayo ay hindi biro. Because he is really loaded.
Pero,
good right hand. Sneaky right hand.
Overhand right.
We have a fight, Ronnie.
Yes, we have a fight. Reyes coming to fight Magsayo in a little bit of trouble.
Oh, mukhang naramdaman din ni Magsayo yung kanan na yun.
Right
he slowed down. Oh, another right hand by Reyes. Magsayo getting nailed in uppercut.
Another good right by Reyes.
Magsayo slowing down the pace, Ronnie.
Oh, he got caught with the left hook. Another left hook.
Ganda ng opening round na ito.
Final 10 seconds.
Very competitive opening round.
Yes, that's a good shot by Magsayo. Reyes comes back.
Up,
Goes to keep his punches up.
Hindi mababa. Keep those punches up. Ayaw kaya Baeza. Magsayo trying to tee off with the jab.
Yun ang importante. Oh, he got him with a good right.
Good right hand. Reyes, right in front. Gumaganti agad si Reyes.
Yun. Kasi
Yes.
matapang ito si Reyes.
Good uppercut.
But they got their exchanging uppercuts.
Parehong malakas sa dalawang boksingero.
Body shots by Magsayo. A flurry of left hooks. And Reyes is smiling and comes back with the body shot of his own.
We have a very, very good fight, Ronnie. Reyes, very competitive. Magsayo showing speed and power. but also getting a taste of the power of Reyes.
Yes.
Reyes wild with the left. Body shot.
Magsayo covering up.
Very close fight. Sayo appears to... And that was a clear. Ayaw kaya Bainsa. No. Blow.
Reyes, it's boxing. Come on.
Oh.
Buddy, come on.
We'll see later in the slow-mo.
Hey, no, kabisa.
At ito, nagre-reklamo na.
Okay, come on.
Sabi ni referee Bainsa, very much in control, saying no low blow. And we have a rumble at the waterfront. Reyes says, let's get it on. The crowd, hindi nila gusto yung mga antics ni Reyes. Wild with the right hand, si
Alam mo na si
Magsayo.
Magsayo has to be
Yeah, pick up.
very
Reyes,
careful.
no.
Wag naman don't get wild.
Come on.
So we have a third round knockdown. Credited to Magsayo. Ginigit ni Reyes. It was a low blow. Sabi ni referee Bainsa, it's a go. Clean go.
Tingnan natin mamaya mga slow-mo replay at the end of the round. Good right hand by Reyes. You know, this guy's tough.
Oo. Buhay pa ito si Reyes. Alam mo, sabi nga niya, itong the belt line eh.
Yeah.
Hindi siya talaga terribly low. So, very sharp call from referee
Good
Bainsa.
right by Reyes. Oh, beautiful combination now.
Laban lang. Huwag na magreklamo. Masyadong cocky. A lot of shoot. Oh, good right hand. But Reyes taking the blow.
Matapang
good
ito.
left. Matapang, ha? At malakas sa buntok. Ang ganda ng palitan. Sulit na sulit ang aksyon. Rapid fire mula kay Magsayo pero binaliwala ni Reyes. Reyes just casually walking away. Good left by Reyes.
Good target. Cracking combinations by Magsayo. But that must, alam mo na, Magsayo must get a little frustrated.
Maganda rin eh.
Oh, because
Depense.
he's hitting with some great shots.
And Reyes is fighting back.
Yeah, Reyes is fighting back.
Torres, unadulterated action at inutuhayan sa bakbakang Magsayo at Reyes ng Mexico. The IBF Youth Featherweight Championship. Good left by Magsayo, but Reyes keeps charging in.
Kabisa. Hey.
At ulo naman, sinasabihan ng referee Bainsa, the head, watch your head.
Reyes saying, I can take your punches to the body. Big right hand, cracking right hand. He nailed him with that punch.
There was a wallop of a right hand mula kay Mark Magsayo in the black trunks.
Oh, Reyes comes back with the left and a right to the side of the head.
Buong loob dito si Reyes, ha?
Oh, madalaman ito. Bakbakan talaga. Beautiful left by Reyes.
Right hand by Reyes.
Magsayo got caught.
Magsayo backtracking. This Mexican.
Oh, good left by Reyes again. Another hard right to the side of the head. Yung feeling ko, Magsayo wants to take some punches so he can give punches in return. That's not a good uppercut, but that's a dangerous tactic.
Delikado. May kanan si Magsayo. This is a war of attrition. Matira matibay, Ronnie. Magsayo figuring in his toughest fight as a professional. Ito naman si Reyes, dapat El Reclamador eh, hindi El Guerrerito ang kita-kita yung ulo. And referee Benza again warning Reyes.
Good overhand right by Magsayo. You know, Magsayo should just, don't worry about this guy, just concentrate on what you have to do. Another beautiful flurry.
Yun, hilo si Reyes. What a flurry.
Oh, beautiful right hand. And Reyes must go down.
Reyes is hurt.
Oh, another cracking right hand. Reyes in trouble.
Uppercut. What an uppercut.